It would eat away at your soul internally, mentally. The way that you build a sustainable education business is you have to continue to practice what you preach. So when you sell a digital product teaching other people TikTok, but then you haven't done TikTok in the last 6 months, that will cause I don't think people will doubt you because there's always a marketing play that you can say in your content. Oh no, but I made this much. I've been doing it for this much. I've helped XYZ number of students, which would still qualify you. And so people would still buy. So it wouldn't be a matter of the fact that your online education business wouldn't make money, but it would eat away at your soul internally, mentally. You would have this mental block that will keep coming up time after time again. And I know because I've mentored many people that made $1 million with dropshipping, and they shut down the dropshipping business to focus on a dropshipping education business. Or they made $1 million with Amazon. They made $1 million trading. They made $1 million with a YouTube channel, with faceless YouTube channels. There's so many ways to make money online, right? If there's a way to make money online, I've coached someone on how to build an education business around it. And every single person that shut it down, 6 to 12 months down the line, have massive limiting beliefs and mindset issues associated with it. And so the median ground that I've seen of people that, let's say, build an education business to $1 million a year or more, 80 grand a month, 100 grand a month, very successful, very profitable business. But then they just wind down their business over here, their original dropshipping, in your case, TikTok shop business, to just a small scale, just to show that they're still in the weeds. They still are keeping up with modern day trends. Because let's be honest, TikTok shop 3 months, 6 months from now is going to be very different. There's going to be all these different rules and all these different things. And if you're not practicing it, you're going to lose touch, right? Exactly. It's always changing. And that's, by the way, again, every business model. If someone's teaching trading, the trading algorithms change all the time. The markets change all the time. If someone's teaching drop shipping, ad algorithms change all the time. Physical suppliers overseas have to buy from, they change all the time. So the thing is, if you're going to teach a business model that requires you to stay in the loop with a business model, which is every single business model, I would strongly recommend you always have a small wind down version of it, which means that 90% of your focus, time, and energy will be on the education business, but you'll still have 10% on the TikTok business. Even if it just makes you, let's say, 3 grand a month, it doesn't matter. It's just the fact that you're still practicing what you preach.